Life feels hard. Maybe it's not because you're weak. Maybe it's because you're doing too much of what doesn't matter. We chase so many things. But what if making life easier is less about adding and more about removing? All right, let's talk about that. Here's the truth. Most people overcomplicate their own life. They say yes to things they don't care about. They follow goals that aren't even theirs. They fill their days, but forget to live them. If you want an easier life, start here. Decide what actually matters and ignore what doesn't. This isn't about being lazy. It's about being intentional. Here's a habit that makes life instantly lighter. Every morning, write down 3 things that matter. Just 3. Then do your best to focus only on those. Not everything urgent is important. Not everything loud deserves your energy. You don't need to do everything. You just need to do the right things. The ones that actually move your life forward. You ever try to carry too many grocery bags at once? Because one trip or die, right? At first, it feels like you're saving time. But by the time you get to the door, your fingers are crushed, you're sweating, and something probably dropped along the way. That's what life feels like when you carry too much, too fast. But if you just take fewer bags, suddenly it's not a struggle. It's just a walk. You still get there, just with more breath in your lungs and less pain in your hands. So here's your reminder. You don't have to make life harder to make it worth living. You don't have to do more until it's too much to be felt enough. And you're allowed to put some things down. Let today be simple. Let not overwhelm everything. Let it be just enough.